Hello, everybody. It's the Bestman's coming to you with another short video. Today is July 27th, Monday morning, almost afternoon. It's 11:59 a.m. Just wanted to go over today's trade with you. As you can see, my yellow lines here those were my pre-market price targets. I had 697 even, 694.50 is the dotted line. And then the last solid yellow line is 692. My 5-minute high is 5-minute low was the blue line here, and that price is 689.19. As you can see, today was a down day. My directional bias candle, my 1 hour candle at 9:30, that candle was red. So I was definitely looking for some downward movement today. And I definitely got that. What I want to specifically kind of go over with you today is how I determine how to set my sale price on my option. So this was the move for today. So I bought in under my 5-minute low. So I got in here, and of course, price went down to 675.95 as a low for the day. So my delta, I'm always going to pick a delta that has a 0.25 or higher, whether it's on the put side or the call side, it doesn't matter. It's going to be a 0.25 or higher for day trading. This gives me a better success rate. And how to calculate how much your option will move during the market. My price target was my 5-minute low because that was my entry. So 689.19, that was my entry. And this orange line here was last week's low. Last week's low was 682.48. So that was my price target. Once I got in here, I was looking for price to come down to this 682.48. If it didn't hit it, I was expecting it to come close to it. So if I take 689.19 and subtract 682.48, I come up with $6.71. I take that $6.71 and I multiply it times my delta, the 0.25. And I always use 0.25 because I know that my delta is going to be at least a 0.25 or higher. So I just use 0.25. I make it simple and easy for myself. I don't have to think about it. I just use 0.25. So that gave me $1.67. So I knew at that point I could set my option to sell at either a 0.25 or all the way up to $1.67. So I could use my quarter, or I could go up to $1.67 above your option field price. And I set my sale as soon as my option is filled. So I go right in and set my sale. And because I know these numbers ahead of time, I kind of know, how much I can set my option for before I even place my trade. And that's just, knowing as much information as you can before the market opens or during that first 5 minutes is crucial because it allows you to quickly, add and subtract, do what you need to do in order to set your option sale price. And again, I set my option sale price immediately after my order is filled. My option order is filled. Just for some reference today, I paid 69 cents for my put option this morning. And I saw my put option go as high as $3 and some change. So as you can see, it did get to that 167, that above and beyond my buy-in $0.69. It went all the way up to $3. So you can safely, and my thing is I like to get out of my options when they're on, when they're moving in the direction that I want them to go in. So I don't wait till, it hits the bottom, then get out. I get out on the way down so that I can comfortably have my option sale, take my profit, and I'm done for the day. So if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them in the comment section below. Have a good day.